Remy, go. Now Remy, she was over there skiing, then she went on the motorcycle, and now she's snowboarding.
We're gonna turn around, and my friend Morgan is gonna lead us the opposite direction. So let's all face this way. We're turning around, and we're gonna go back the other direction.
That's not good. Goofy, I'm so sorry. Oh, grab a picture of that. What? Grab a picture. How big now? Take a picture. Oh, yeah, Goofy, get in. Yeah. So we're walking around. What'd you see?
I saw everyone except Mickey.
What? That's
I saw
crazy.
all of them, including him.
And Pluto. All right, well, hopefully we'll see Mickey. We were able to get out of the hotel and like walk around. Coincidentally, it's actually really beautiful. It's so funny how the storm happens like that, but you look like Marilyn Monroe. So bouncing and I are taking a... Nice. Just so everyone knows, they're getting married. They are. We've already decided this. We've already decided this.
Yes. How cute would that be?
Oh my gosh, so cute. We're already planning Christmases.
We got the entire crew, all 55,000 kids. Like last year, they invited us to do this, the tour for all the kiddos. You ready for it? Remy, can I see your new necklace? It's beautiful. And they gave all the kids lots and lots of cotton candy, so yay. Allie is the trooper right now.
I'm okay. I'm okay. I'm just telling the baby not to come out.
Not yet. No Disney babies. We don't need a Disney baby.
What they do in the medieval times where they strap on like metal garments.
It's like, all you gotta hear is like, push, push.
No.
You sure?
Ram, where you going, boo-boo?
Hanging out with Hannah. Hannah's in charge. She is literally attached to Hannah. It's adorable. Tony, you should be back taking care of our cats.
I know, I'm so sorry.
What do you do having fun over here?
They're fine.
Tony's the man taking care of the kitty cats. Otherwise, it's probably in an awkward situation walking cats through Disney.
They're not maybe Disney ready.
No, I don't think so. Not yet.
One of them might be.
I still haven't seen Rika.
She's alive though. That's normal.
She's in there somewhere.
He is all over me.
All right, we're gonna be those people, aren't we, Danny?
Clear. You're like,
Yeah, exactly. All right, let's do this. Shaggy and I are taking up the back. We got the rear.
We're gonna get splashed. We got short people in front.
We got all the short people in the front.
That's cool. The hula girls?
Unfortunately, Remy is still currently working up the courage. She'll probably end up doing this eventually. We're okay. This is the first dip.
The first one.
First dip. Well, luckily in our group we had Danny, who's the Disney expert. Oh, look at that guy. He's having fun.
No.
Is that a projector? Whoa. That's really good. What's up, frog? Look at the hype man over there. Got a little cleaning to do. You do okay down there?
That was the most anxiety I've ever experienced in my entire life.
This is the only ride Allie and Rem could really ride, or at least Allie. Good news is that's the only ride that Allie wanted to go on. So.
How can you live?
What are these kiddos doing over there? What happened?
I'm not sure if I can either. Well, it's because it's so tall and I don't want to get on your hat.
Oh, try not to get on the hat. That'd be great. This is new. We went and had to get Dole Whip. One of our guides, Pete over there, just hooked it up because that's all I wanted. Then we got a watermelon whip. Is it pretty good, Rim? Never had a watermelon one. I don't even know what you're doing, kid. We got the ball, one more show, or one more set, I should say, that the fireworks come out. And that's all Remy wants to see. So far, the first two sets, probably, it's crazy. It's amazing, Carter. Look, it's changing.
Everybody make some noise for the one and only Danny Duncan, representing Colorado. The first two shows I walked backstage and they were at Tribe, you talk a lot. They're not wrong. But I really believe that this is It's more than just music. It's more than just the band. This is a family. Lives and kids that understood that what we do is we followed our dream. And we love what we do, and we're so grateful that there is...
Kids getting to play on stage. Carter Man. Be careful of that one. What do you got there, kiddo? Uncle Danny's drumstick? No, they're sleeping. Stop. Hey. You gotta run. I can't run because I twisted my ankle. And Pregnant McGee over here is a champion, MVP. MVP. The first floor. Ho, ho.
No, we're going to.
Remy hanging out with Axel Man over there.
They mature a lot and they become.
Yes.
What are you doing, Rem?
Where are we at, guys? Rem, where are we? Where are we?
We are currently going to Animal Kingdom for the very first time ever.
No, we've been once.
Really?
First time 5.
She's never been.
First time since she's 5.
And Remy's never been. But
We've gone here once?
yeah, once.
I don't remember that.
I think, yeah, we came here once.
You did?
Matt, yeah, you did.
Yay.
It kind of reminds me of, this is crazy, but the Memphis Zoo. You know, like walking in, it's very grand.
Do you have dragons here, Remy?
Dragons.
What? Why are animals beautiful? I don't know.
Do we go?
You want to be a tough to be a bug? No. What do you want to do, safari right away? It's the one thing people tell us to do is the safari, so I think that might be the best bet. Shaggy already did it. I think, like Allie said, I think we've been here once, and I don't remember it.
a lot of it. I don't actually, I remember.
She reminded me we did do Avatar, so that was a long time ago.
That's the only thing I actually remember.
I don't remember anything. There's the Tree of Life. What are we looking at? Up?
I just saw the ducky.
She saw a ducky.
You did?
Remy is all about ducks. One day we'll get a pet duck.
Did you know Mommy and Daddy rescued ducks? 3 ducks?
3 from a flea market. What?
In the world right here.
We're looking for the flamingos?
Wildlife Reserve. On board, call. You may want to use that spotting guide above you to help spot for the animals with your help. The right-hand side, you'll see the beautiful okapi.
Oh, look!
Kids, it looks like the okapi forgot to take off her zebra pajama pants this morning. The okapi is not related to the zebra. The okapi is actually a second. Inside that beautiful crimson-colored animal is known as the bongo. Is the female, her eyes are yellow. The one on the left, his eyes are brown.
What do you think, Rem?
3,000 pounds.
What do you think?
The black
Cute?
rhinoceros. Today
Pelicans,
until they weigh 5,500 pounds.
Wow. Look, Remy, look!
A group of hippos is called a bloat. A bloat of hippopotamus. B-L-O-A-T. Is the hippopotamus really doesn't swim. They walk along the banks of the river and they float.
It's gonna be a little hard.
And the word
We see crocodiles all the time, don't we, Rem?
powerful
Right there.
jaw
See it?
bite of any
I see one down there.
You see it down there?
They'll grow to be 20 feet.
There's another one down there. Good eye, buddy. Good eye.
The little girl sat forward a third time and she said, "But Brian, in that pack has greeted
You like
every
hyenas?
dog in that pack."
They look like lazy okie, don't they?
We can learn a lot. This is a Maasai giraffe identified by its jagged, irregular
Whoa.
coat. No 2 giraffes have the same coat pattern. You'll
Look at
notice
that.
they have a long tongue. Their tongue
Ox?
is 18 inches long.
There's another one.
They can use their tongue like we use a finger.
Look at that. Giraffe's just walking across the street.
You see how they're curling up their trunks?
Hilariously enough, this is all Remy wanted to see.
Shrimp are high in beta-carotene, turning every
Are you excited now? You got to see your flamingos?
group of flamingos,
Yeah.
kids, is
That's
called
all she
a
wanted to see was
flamboyance.
flamingos.
Can you say flamboyance? Heading into the eastern side.
Look at there,
I
bud.
saw a baby pelican.
Yeah, that's beautiful.
It doesn't have to be a bug.
You want to be? It's tough to be a bug.
I want to go to that.
Yeah, let's go there.
It's all Remy wanted.
She was so sweet. That's so nice.
Yeah, she gave extra gummy worms.
Out in, online.
All right, Rem. 1 to 10 scale. How was that ice cream? Is it only 1 or is it a 10? How about a 20? Is it a 20? 10,000? Careful, you gotta keep it up, otherwise it's going to fall. There we go. Devour that thing. Nothing? Axel find anything? Nothing? There's the bone over there, Rem. There's one right there too. Whoa! It's a big one. Yep. Find anything? You found a big tusk?
And it is going to be the most memorable time of the entire night. Boys, are you ready? This song is... Are you ready? 'Cause I feel special sets of our lives, because our best friend Danny Duncan has chosen to be with family, to be with his wife, to be with his kids, and it is everything that we support and that we love. So normally I say, please sing this last part for We the Kings. But if you don't mind, my brother, my nephew, and my sister Valentina, I would love for you guys to sing this last song for Danny, who sadly will be this last show he plays with us.
We love you, Danny!
There are absolutely no words to ever describe how much love this band has for you, how much we love you, and how much you meant to us. And you will never not be my brother. You will never not be my nephew. You will never not be my nephew. Valentina, wherever you are, you will never not be my sister.
Get out there, Mel! Get out there, Mel!
So, Danny, will you please take center stage with your beautiful kids? And help me sing this last song as loud as you can for my brother. brother, for a starting member of We the Kings. We would not be here if it wasn't for him. So I don't know how much vocals you have left in you, but I hope that you can send him off with the most love and admiration and gratitude that you've ever been able to give anybody. We the Kings. One more time. Sing as loud as you can. Run, baby, run. Don't ever look back. They'll tear us apart if you give them the chance. Don't sell your heart, don't say we're not meant to be. Run, baby, run. Forever will be.
I love you. We the Kings loves you. God bless. Have an amazing